Just a few examples of the power bank in action. This site was initially powered by a 150 kilowatt generator, but the actual load was only between 10 and 25 kilowatts. The result was a massive savings in generator runtime and real savings of over 78,000 Australian dollars. This project at the Baltimore-Washington International Airport wanted to reduce generator runtime. They did that by adding a power bank and 2 custom solar arrays. The result was a 95% reduction in generator runtime and a net savings of over 56,000 US dollars. This is a potato farm where the operator was having to manually power up the center pivot irrigation system. The solution was a power bank running with a solar array that saved them over 6 hours every single day, resulting in a 100% emission-free solution and reduced operational costs. As part of the music decarbonization project, Billie Eilish and Reverb wanted to perform a 100% emission-free set at Lollapalooza. 12 power banks and 136 solar panels helped make that happen, leading to significant reductions in CO2 emissions and diesel fuel usage. This is a spud barge project where we drastically reduced the size of the generator, and the power bank max handled the peak load of the barge. Genset size was reduced from 400 kW to just 56 kW. Write your sustainability story with Power2.